Hello and welcome to the Ryobi workshop. Today we've got the Ryobi ONE Reciprocating Saw, which can be used to cut many types of materials such as wood, metal and plastic. In the box you will find the reciprocating saw as well as a wood blade, a hex key to adjust the shoe if required, and depending on the kit you purchase, it may also come with a battery and charger. The impressive 25mm stroke length and speed of up to 3,400 strokes per minute means this saw is perfect for rough and fast cutting to make those demolition tasks easy, like breaking down pallets, cutting plastic and metal. The variable trigger allows you to easily change the speed of the saw. This gives you the control you need when switching between different tasks and materials. So let's see this tool in action. Once you're finished with your cuts, the blade can be hot. Use this handy quick release blade lever to eject the blade without even needing to touch it. Now let's insert a metal blade and see how easily we can cut through this metal pipe. This reciprocating saw is part of the ONE+ system, meaning one battery can be used to power multiple Ryobi tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. So that's the Ryobi ONE+ Reciprocating Saw, giving you the power and control you need to quickly get your demolition tasks done.